Well, hello and welcome to this exercise on Python coding. It's to do with finding the area of a parallelogram given three coordinates. Again, I've done this in PowerPoint, so it might be a good idea to watch the video on this one as well. I'm going to give you the link. Right. Now, it may appear to be very amateurish, but by all means, let me know how I can improve on this because I'm just learning on how to code in Python. Right, and you say this is a code for calculating the area of parallelogram given three coordinates. And it says you may get a negative answer depending on which coordinates you choose first. Okay, now it then says print. It's going to ask you to enter three coordinates. And then what you do is you enter your first S coordinate, then press enter, then your second S coordinate, and then press enter, and then your third X coordinate, and then press enter. You repeat the same thing again for your Y coordinates. Now, this is the video for the PowerPoint presentation there. So it might be a good idea to watch that as well. Right. Okay. Now here we go. Firstly, I start off with a list called X. It's an empty list there. And because I'm looking for only three coordinates, it says for I in range 3, because we need three X coordinates, then it says append to the list because you start off with an empty list. Now, when you come at this point here, you will have entered three X coordinates. Right? And moving on from there, and similarly, you start up with an empty list called Y. And then you do for J. I did use I there, but for some reason it wouldn't work, so I put J instead there. Now, same thing again, is going to ask you for three corresponding Y coordinates. So you key in the first one, press enter, next one, press enter, and next one, press enter as well. So at the end, you will now have three corresponding Y coordinates at this point there. Okay. Now, having done that, you will now, at the end of the X list, you now append the first X coordinate to the last. So now you have in position 3, you have the first S coordinate in position 0. So that will repeat itself. You do a similar thing for Y. So in position 3 on the Y list, you're going to have the same Y coordinate as you had in position 0. I hope I'm making sense. You need to watch this to see what's happening. Okay, now, next, you print X to give you the X value. So now for X, you're going to have a list of 4 values. One of them, the last one and the first one, the last X value and the first X value should be the same at this point. And then similar thing again, you print your Y list. Okay. Now, what's going to happen now is this one here. This is a sort of cross multiplication. Now you need to watch this video. I shall explain it on to see what went on there. Okay. Now, and I've called that A. And you print A, and then B. Similar thing as this one here, except that you're multiplying from right to left. Okay, similar thing again, call that B, and then you print B. Now you subtract B from A and call that C, and at the end you print that area is equal to C square units now. Right, now this is what you get printed out. This is the first S coordinate in your X list. That is the second X coordinate that occupies position 1. This is your third x coordinate, and that occupies position 2, index 2 there. Okay, now this is your first y coordinate. This is your second y coordinate that you entered yourself. Now don't forget that up to this point, this is what you enter in there. Okay, so and this is your third occupying position 2 on your white list. Now you append, this will be this one here. You append this bit there for x, and you append this list there. So really, this is your x list, and this is your y list. Okay, so now you multiply that by that, that by that, that by that. That will give you a values. Your b values will be that and that, that and that, that and that. So now you subtract, and that's a, and that's b, all of that. So that becomes 31 minus 13. And you get the answer 44 square units. Okay. Now, I do hope all that made some sense, and please subscribe and watch some of my other videos. Thank you for watching, and bye bye now. Have a good day. Bye bye.